Did you know that Rick and Morty videos have become one of the fastest growing trends on YouTube and TikTok? The short, exciting, and sometimes eerie clips that combine true conspiracy theories, controversial stories, and attractive faces have managed to gain millions of views. What's interesting is that the page, which was launched just a few months ago, now has over 100,000 subscribers, and each of its videos easily reaches millions of views. But what's the secret to this success? It's not just the stories, it's the way they're told using Rick and Morty cartoon animation that hooks the viewer from the very first second. In today's video, I show you exactly how you can create these kinds of viral videos with the help of free AI tools. So stay with me until the end, because if you want to replicate the explosive formula behind these TikTok channels and pages, you shouldn't miss a single step. These styles of videos have literally taken over YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Their creators' pages have gained hundreds of thousands, if not millions of followers in just a few months. When you watch these clips, you feel like someone is talking directly to your subconscious. And here's the golden point. All of this is done using only artificial intelligence, with almost no human intervention. So get ready, let's get started. Now it's time to head over to Corpy AI. I've included the link in the video description. This is the platform everyone's been talking about, an incredibly creative tool that has truly revolutionized the world of video content creation. With Corpy AI, you can create professional, amazing, and viral-ready clips in just minutes, without any prior editing experience. This site is the best choice for creating short videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Why Corpy AI is so special among people. Its ready-made templates and powerful AI make the entire video creation process incredibly simple and enjoyable. You can create high-quality, modern-looking videos without the need for heavy software or specialized skills. And most importantly, this tool is a gateway to the world of content monetization. If you get Corpy AI's professional plans, your production speed will be multiplied, making it one of the most powerful and engaging video content creation tools in the world. With it, you can create any type of viral video you like in just a few moments, such as fake text, ready-made meme clips, Reddit stories, Twitter slides, argument videos, X-thread clips, split-page quiz text, or even engaging top 5 videos. These are exactly the formats that are currently getting millions of views on YouTube and TikTok. Now enter the argument videos section. The first thing you see is that you can choose background music for your video. This section is full of various songs that each give a different feel to your clip. Then we come to the default explainer section. Here you can choose any character you like from among the different characters. The same goes for the default asker section. You have complete freedom to replace different characters or even add new characters in the add explainer and add asker sections. Any text you write will be converted into dialogue right there. If you click on sample data, the system will automatically create a complete sample of the dialogue. Then you can easily edit or change any part of it. And now one of the interesting sections, generate AI argument. Here you can choose from the ready-made templates, or if you want to enter your own text, just use the prompt field. When everything is ready, click next. Now it's time to choose a background video. Corpy AI has dozens of ready-made backgrounds from Minecraft and GTA to Subway Surfers, cooking, Fortnite, and many more. I'll choose Minecraft for example. And finally, just click generate video. A few moments later, your video will be created with high quality, great appeal, and excellent speed. That's it, you were able to create a complete video ready to publish. Now let's watch the video we made.
Stewie, what are the odds that the Titanic, the richest ship ever built, sinks on its first voyage with 3 of the loudest opponents of the Federal Reserve on board?
Oh boy, here we go again. It was an iceberg, not a conspiracy.
Really? Then why did J.P. Morgan, the owner of the Titanic, cancel his trip at the last second?
Maybe he was scared of sailing.
Nah, he was too busy meeting with the Rothschilds in Europe. Coincidence? Same coincidence that 3 of the wealthiest anti-bank elites, John Jacob Astor, Benjamin Guggenheim, and Isidor Straus, all died on the ship.
Wait, all 3 were against the Federal Reserve?
Loudly. Astor funded Nikola Tesla and spoke out against centralized banking. Guggenheim had investments threatened by the banking cartel. Strauss opposed private control over the U.S. currency.
But how could someone guarantee they'd die?
That's the thing. The Titanic wasn't just any ship. It had less than half the lifeboats needed, no red distress flares, and crew members never trained for evacuation. It was called unsinkable.
Right!
Exactly. So unsinkable that it broke in half from a single impact. And the rescue ship Carpathia just happened to be ready with Morgan's friends on board.
You're saying it was a hit job?
I'm saying it was a reset, because 1 year later, the Federal Reserve Act was signed into law. No opposition, no delay.
Dude, that's cold.
Colder than the North Atlantic. They didn't just kill passengers, they killed resistance and birthed a private banking empire that still runs the world today.
And nobody noticed?
They did. But guess what happened? Newspapers owned by Morgan and Friends called it a tragedy, buried the questions, and turned it into a sob story about love and loss.
Like the movie?
Exactly. The movie made you cry over a couple so you'd never ask who sunk the ship.
Now to create another video, just select the same sections and settings that we reviewed step by step. The process is designed to be so simple and smooth that even if it's your first time visiting this site, you can create a professional video without any complications. If you like, you can change the characters or completely customize them. Make the color, style, and even the tone according to your taste. This means that you are not limited to ready-made templates, but you can unleash your creativity and create exactly what you have in mind. Honestly, Corpy AI is one of the best and most creative platforms I have ever seen. What makes this tool special is not only its variety of features, but also the quality of the outputs. The videos it produces are not only of high quality and modern in terms of image, but also have professional voiceover. It even adds subtitles automatically, which is a very important feature for attracting an audience on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. In addition, the processing speed of the videos is very high. Without wasting time, you can have a clip that is ready to be published and go viral in a few minutes. That is why Corpy AI is not only a video production tool, but also a real opportunity to create content and earn money. Personally, I think that anyone looking to produce short and interesting content should try this platform at least once. That is why I have included the link to the site in the description for you to experience for yourself, and now that our video is made, it is time to watch it together and see how the work turned out.
You know how everyone's always talking about how amazing technology is and how it's making our lives better? Well, what if I told you that's not entirely true? In fact, studies have shown that our reliance on technology is actually making us less intelligent.
What are you talking about? I feel like I can learn anything I want online.
That's exactly the problem. We're so used to having information at our fingertips that we're not bothering to remember anything anymore. And it's not just memory. Our critical thinking skills are suffering too. We're becoming a generation of people who can't even navigate without Google Maps.
But isn't that just a natural progression of technology? I mean, we used to have to use physical maps and now we don't.
It's not just about navigation. It's about the fact that we're not challenging our brains like we used to. We're not reading as much. We're not solving problems on our own. And we're not thinking deeply about complex issues. And the result is a decline in cognitive ability, especially in younger people.
That's scary, but what's the cause of all this? Is it just social media and smartphones?
Those are definitely big contributors. The constant stream of information, the instant gratification, the endless distractions. It's all taking a toll on our brains. We're losing the ability to focus, to concentrate, and to think critically. And it's not just individuals. It's a societal problem.
So what can we do to stop this decline? Is it too late?
Not if we make a conscious effort to change our habits. We need to start reading more, solving problems on our own, and engaging in activities that challenge our brains. We need to take breaks from technology and give our minds a chance to rest and recharge. It's not about abandoning.
As you can see, the video we made with Corpy AI is really amazing. I won't show the whole preview, because it's too long. But these few seconds are enough to give you an idea of the quality, speed, and professional output of this platform. Now let's talk about pricing. There are 3 main plans. Fun is just $16/month, great for getting started. Clipper is $23/month, for those who are more serious about creating content. And Pro is just $47/month, for teams and professional producers. The good news is that if you click the Get Offer button, you can get a special 20% discount on all plans. And that's not all. For you, the viewer of this video, we have prepared a special discount code. Just use the coupon SKILL when making your purchase to get an additional 20% discount. And that's it. We created a professional video in no time that has the potential to go viral on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. If this tutorial was helpful to you, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to learn the latest AI tools. And now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which Corpy AI feature is most exciting for you, and which one would you like to try first.